You can see me talk, watch me walk, and even notice the way I gesture. Pretty cool, right? I'm not just your regular avatar. But wait, you can create an avatar just like me. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bring your own AI character to life in ways you never thought possible.
To create your own AI avatar that moves, talks, and waves, the first thing you will need is an image. So you need a prompt to be able to generate your desired image. So to build your prompt, I used ChatGPT to build my prompt. So I came to ChatGPT and said, "Hi, I want to build an avatar." And the conversation went on, and I described what I wanted to use the avatar for and what I want the avatar to look like. And ChatGPT gave me the perfect prompt for my image generation. After I got my image prompt from ChatGPT, I came to Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI has the option to create images, and they have the option for you to create videos. So I came to the create image option. If you've not used Hailuo AI before, it will ask you to sign up. You can use the link in my description to get started with Hailuo AI. Mind you, the link is an affiliate link. I get a small commission at no cost to you when you sign up to Hailuo AI. I clicked on create an image. So I pasted my prompt in this section of where it says create an image. So I'm just going to go down to all my creations and copy a prompt I use. I'll copy this prompt and I paste my prompt. You can choose how many quantity you want it to generate. If you go back to the settings, you can see what aspect ratio you want to select. You can choose the aspect ratio you're working with. And they only have one model for now. I will leave all these settings as it is. So I hit on generate. So it takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute to get your images ready, depending on how fast your internet is. These are the images it gave me. If I click on this one, you will look at the images it gave you. If you don't like any image from here, but this is what I use to generate my own avatar, you can use any image generation tool of your choice that turns out that gives you the output that you need, but you have to get your prompt and get it ready. So I'm going to go back. I will work with the previous image I had. So I'm just going to click here to filter by images, so it takes me to the image faster. So this is the image I worked with. Once your generation comes up and you've chosen the one you desire to work with, which is this one that I chose that I was working with. Once you've done that, you just hover your mouse around here to bring out image to video, subject reference to video. So you don't really need to download the image. We are going to be doing everything in this Hailuo AI. So I'm going to click on image to video, and I'm going to expand this, and it has opened up the image to video interface for me. But if you generated your own image from another platform, you say I return back to the home, you're going to click on create video instead of create images. Why I used create images was because I generated my image from Hailuo AI. So I'm going to click on create video here. So you have the image to video, the text to video, and the subject reference. All we are focused on is the image to video. If you're coming in with your own video, all you need to do is just to upload your image by hovering around here. You upload your image. Or if you've already done so, you want to reuse an image you've used before, you click on here, you'll see all the images you've used. So now we have our image uploaded. What I want to do is to say what I want this image to do. Talk and gesture gently. That's the prompt I gave it for what I want this image to do when it's in a video form. So camera movements, we're not going to work with camera movements. But one thing I want you to do, we're not using the i2v01 direct or the latest model of image to video in Hailuo AI. What I'm going to do is to click on here to select a different model. The model we're going to use is this O1 Live, not the O1 Director, that is smooth, vivid, and perfect for 2D animations. I'm going to use that model to create, and I'm going to increase the quantity of the video I'm creating to 4. I usually like to do this. I'm on unlimited plan, which allows me to generate more than 3 if you are on a free plan. Click on generate. Now it has said task submitted, check progress. If I want her to act another way, I can still come to the same image, because of my generation has started working here. You see. So for the second generation I want to do, I say smile, talk, and wave. This time I'm not going to generate it as 4 because I can only queue in 5 jobs at a time. So I'm just going to reduce the quantity down here to 1. It says maximum quantity is 1. You see that? So now let's check whether it's seeing the model that gives us clean 2D illustration. Our prompt enhancer is on. We don't want to get creative. We don't want to use any of the effects. So I'm going to click on create. Our videos are ready. So I'm just going to use this panel to scroll here. And I'm going to download these videos. I'm going to download without watermark. So once we have all our clips ready, so I got 4 clips that I'm going to use here. The next tool we are going to be using is Canva. I'm going to be picking a video project, so I'll just go for the YouTube video. And I'm going to import the 4 clips. Now that I have my clips imported, I'm going to start putting them into my page. Like so. You just drag over them around this plus sign and it's open a new page and you just put it into it. So I'm using Canva to place these images how I want the flow to look like. So I'm going to click on the first page and click on this trim button here. Let me collapse this and I'll click on this trim button. I usually like to trim it the first silence. I like this one. I'm going to move this to the back. I'm going to come to this one and I'll do the same for all the clips. So I'll use the trim option to trim out the silent. If you notice there's a silent at the beginning. So I'm trimming from this place. I'm taking out that pause that the image has. That's the part I'm taking. I'm taking it up to 0.3 seconds. So I'm going to play the video to see the flow. Now I've played the video, I'll see more parts to trim out. So I'm going to trim this further. You just want to work on your clip and trim out the excesses. So now that we have our video ready, I'm going to click on the share button here and download my video. Now that we've downloaded our video, the next tool we are going to use is called Nins. So we're going to use this tool to sync the lips. This is the part you're going to focus on. I'm going to click on this drop down where it says all tools and I will use the lip sync. You can do text to image, image to video and every other thing here, but what I want to focus on is the lip sync because we have to sync what we want her to say with her lip movements. I'm going to select lip sync and it's asking me to upload my video or my target image. But I'm using a video and I'm not using the sound because I don't have any audio file to give it. I prefer to use the text, but you can also upload your own sound. If you come over here, you upload your own sound to it, but I prefer using the text option. So I'm going to click on text and paste what I want her to say. Now that I have it pasted, keep in mind that if you're going to use the text option, you keep your characters under 300. So I'm going to select a voice. So I like this Delilah voice a lot. And you can give it a sample-based voice. If you also want to use this voice, you can give it what it should sound like, what are the intonation, like you want an African accent or what kind of accent you want. You can just put it a recording of what accent you want it to use in this position where it says upload or drop. But I'm not going to be using, I'm just going to use the live because I want to use I love the voice in this tool a lot. So I'm just going to click on generate. This is totally free. It says it's submitted. ETA is 2 minutes. It doesn't really take up to 2 minutes to create. So my creation is in progress here. Now this is our lip sync video. So I'm going to click on it, unmute it.
Now, it's your turn to create your own AI avatar. I can't wait to see your avatar in action. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Do have a good one.
This is so beautiful. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Do have a good one.